10 Lessons from the book, Emotional Intelligence Habits, by Travis Bardbarry is a compelling guide that explores the importance of emotional intelligence in personal and professional success. As a renowned expert in emotional intelligence, Bradberry provides practical strategies and insights to develop and cultivate emotional intelligence. In this detailed summary, we will explore 10 key lessons and insights from the book, offering readers a glimpse into the transformative wisdom it imparts. 1. Understanding emotional intelligence. Emotional Intelligence Habits introduces readers to the concept of emotional intelligence and its significance in various aspects of life. Bradberry explains how emotional intelligence affects relationships, decision-making, and overall well-being. 2. Self-awareness. The book emphasizes the importance of self-awareness as a foundation for emotional intelligence. Bradberry provides strategies for increasing self-awareness, such as reflection, journaling, and seeking feedback from others. 3. Self-management. Emotional Intelligence Habits explores the practice of self-management, which involves regulating one's emotions and behaviors effectively. Bradberry offers techniques for managing stress, staying calm in challenging situations, and developing self-control. 4. Empathy. The book highlights the role of empathy in emotional intelligence. Bradberry emphasizes the power of understanding and relating to others' emotions, and provides insights on developing empathy through active listening and perspective-taking. 5. Building relationships. Emotional Intelligence Habits explores the importance of building strong and meaningful relationships. Bradberry offers guidance on effective communication, conflict resolution, and fostering positive connections with others. 6. Social awareness. The book delves into the concept of social awareness, which involves understanding and navigating social dynamics. Bradberry provides insights on reading non-verbal cues, recognizing emotional states in others, and adapting to different social contexts. 7. Conflict resolution. Emotional Intelligence Habits offers strategies for resolving conflicts in a constructive and empathetic manner. Bradberry highlights the importance of active listening, managing emotions, and finding win-win solutions. 8. Decision-making. The book explores how emotional intelligence impacts decision-making. Bradberry provides insights on using emotions as valuable information, considering different perspectives, and making decisions that align with one's values and goals. 9. Resilience. Emotional Intelligence Habits emphasizes the importance of resilience in navigating challenges and setbacks. Bradberry offers techniques for building resilience, such as reframing negative experiences, practicing self-compassion, and maintaining a growth mindset. 10. Continuous growth. The book encourages readers to embrace continuous growth and development of their emotional intelligence. Bradberry emphasizes the importance of ongoing self-reflection, learning from experiences, and seeking opportunities to enhance emotional intelligence skills. Emotional Intelligence Habits serves as a practical and insightful guide for individuals seeking to develop and strengthen their emotional intelligence. Through these 10 key lessons, readers gain insights into self-awareness, self-management, empathy, and building meaningful relationships. Bradberry's work provides a roadmap for effective communication, conflict resolution, and decision-making. By integrating these lessons into their lives, readers can enhance their emotional intelligence, improve relationships, and achieve greater success and fulfillment in various aspects of life.